Z-Tech. BD.
Hi, welcome to Z-Tech BD. Luckily, in today's Filmora video, we will learn some incredible cleaning techniques without a green screen. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the next video.
In the current Filmora instructional, I'll demonstrate 3 incredible keying techniques without using a green screen. You'll adore these 3 techniques, of course. Let's begin the movie. First, we'll take off without a green screen and fly an airplane behind this woman. Like as. Additionally, make sure to subscribe to our channel for additional advice. Like the video as well. Timeline video edition. Then drag an airplane image from the PNG format to the timeline. Double-click the image to access the animation menu. To customize and include a keyframe, click the first keyframe scale and location to something like this, and advance the scale and position in the second keyframe by a few seconds as well. This keyframe needs to scale up.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Incorporate some rotation. Therefore, it must be avoided showing the plane's location on the screen. Add this video to the track above after that. Click the green screen tool after selecting the video. Choose the Packer tool next. And select this blue space. I've played the audio below for your understanding. That in the video of the aforementioned track, the blue section has been eliminated. I'll play this song once more. I eliminate the excess pieces. I can see that I pulled off a fantastic heist in just 2 minutes. The second track is equally great. Put these clouds in the sky. Timeline video edition. Press the green screen button. Click on this blue picker tool after choosing it. Area. Raise the offset a little. Add a cloud video to the timeline. The cloud video should be sped up to match the video below. The cloud video's position and size can be modified. Add the following video to the new track. And this girl's video, which is set to the song below.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
done. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Z-Tech. BD.